Getting started making money online doesn't have to be difficult, and in fact, anyone can do it. That's why I'm about to show you not one, not two, but 5 lightning fast, hassle-free ways to start making money online. And here's a sneak peek to show you what I'm talking about. This guy right here makes upwards of $300 a day, providing a service that an AI tool, which I'll show you, does for him. This woman right here charges $170 for her basic plan and currently has 45 orders in queue. That's over $7,650 she currently has in orders right now. And this seller easily makes over $4,000 a month, providing a service that you could argue is easier than breathing. And I'm about to show you all of them and just how easy they are to start. And be sure to stick around until number 5, as that's the easiest one, making over $4,000 a month. Now, the first service is offering captions, and if you look at these 2 sellers on Fiverr, you'll notice the amount of orders they have in queue currently. And this guy charges up to $450, meaning he's easily clearing $300 a day, and all by adding the famous Alex Hormozi captions to people's reels. Now, let me show you how you can accomplish this in 2 minutes with 0 effort. Go to the website submagic.co. Click Create My Video Now, then go ahead and upload your client's reel. Once uploaded, the AI will generate the captions for you automatically, and you'll have a choice of styles to choose from. And once you've downloaded the video, you'll have a result that looks something like this, ready to deliver straight to your client. And how do I know this works so well? Because I use it for my own reels. Okay, you probably already know content writing is huge. Whether it's for scripts, articles, website content, or even template emails, the copywriting space is becoming extremely lucrative. This seller right here is charging a minimum of $70 per 500 words of written content and $120 for 1,000 words. And right now, she has 5 orders in queue, meaning she's currently got between $350 to $600 worth of orders on this gig alone. And with multiple gigs, we can assume she's earning at least $5,000 a month. Now, if you know how to write in English, or in fact any language, you're already halfway there towards offering the same kind of gig. For the other half, you can simply use tools like Chat GPT and cohesive.so to help you finalize your writing. But a small disclaimer, never rely solely on AI to write the content for you, and always do the final edit yourself before sending it to the client. Alright, if you're watching this video right now, then it probably means you also use other social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And no doubt, you've been using them for the last few years. Therefore, why not start to get paid for the knowledge that you've gained from these platforms over that period of time? This woman right here offers social media management. She'll create some aesthetically pleasing social media posts, create the captions, and do some hashtag research for you before scheduling them on whichever social media channel the client needs. And she charges a minimum of $170, all the way up to $470. And right now, she has 45 orders in queue, meaning she's about to earn anywhere between $7,600 to over $21,000 on just these orders alone that she has in queue right now. And you can start doing this too, with simple tools like canva.com and creativefabrica.com, which will allow you to download tons of templates and mockups, which can easily be edited to fit the style that you want. Now, if you don't mind being on camera, then creating a UGC video is probably the easiest and fastest way to get paid. The client will send you a script to read, normally promoting their service or product, and all you'll need to do is download a teleprompter app, like Teleprompter, which will scroll the text on your mobile phone screen while you film yourself speaking. Then you simply send it off to the client, and yeah, it's seriously that easy. This seller, for example, charges $55 for a 15-second video, and she has over 400 feedback with a bunch of orders already in queue. Or even this guy, charging $135 for a 15-second video. With 4 orders in queue right now, that's over $500 he's about to make from a total of 1 minute of his time. Okay, finally, that side hustle that's, no joke, easier than breathing is under a category known as brainstorming. And this is probably the least competitive service on Fiverr, with only 537 services. This seller right here, Sky, is charging $95 to provide you with 4 business name ideas, available domains, and a slogan. And she's got 9 orders in queue, meaning She's easily taken home over $4,000 a month from this gig alone. And let me show you just how easy this is to do. All you have to do is go to businessnamegenerator.com. Enter a keyword about the type of business, and the implemented AI will provide you with tons of suggestions, including the domains which are available. Just scroll through and choose a couple that you like the look of, and then use Chat GPT to give you suggestions on great slogans that you can attach to those business names. I told you, it was easier than breathing. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful, and if you want to watch more content like this around Fiverr, side hustles and making money online, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.